Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your audio settings back to default on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side you want to select sound. On the right side, scroll down underneath volume mixer. So again, underneath advanced, select volume mixer. And where it says reset sound devices and volumes for all apps to the recommended defaults, select reset. And then once you have done that, you can go ahead and just close out of here. And that should be about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.